And welcome everybody in our audience to today's webcast, Cloud Fax, How to Lighten Your Infrastructure Load, sponsored by Esker. I'm Chris Flack with Redmond Magazine, and I'm going to be your moderator for today's event, so thank you all for joining us very much. Joining us for today's webcast, we have a great presenter. His name is Jason Anderson, and he is the Senior Sales Engineer at Esker. Jason has been with the company for over 7 years and has served as a technical resource to Esker's customers, partners, and internal sales team.
All right, thanks, Chris, and thank you for joining us today. Let's get started, and really, not too long ago, I bet most of us thought exchanging business documents by fax would be history by now, but fax lives on, and you probably know all too well what a pain fax can be when it doesn't work. Even in the 21st century, we're seeing a continued growth of the market for fax technologies, and some of the reasons are the expansion of initiatives and technologies like fax over IP and production faxing, and initiatives to unify business communications. And so there are a certain number of document types that can't be emailed. So email isn't really taking over that chunk of the document delivery, if you will. If you look at patient information, legal documents, contracts, those documents typically cannot be sent via email and are in turn sent by fax. So the volume of faxing is actually increasing year over year instead of decreasing. And if you focus on fax alone rather than converging around the core business issues, as an organization you can place strict limitations on your ability to improve processes within especially the order-to-cash and procure-to-pay cycles. And deciding to replace a fax server really presents you a valuable opportunity to go to your organization and examine the impact of that decision and how it'll affect your document processes, your business processes around fax. For example, if you receive any orders via fax, you may want to look at a solution that can automatically create orders from fax into your ERP application. So use OCR and extract data from those faxes, analyze it, create the order inside of your SAP, keep it or ERP system, whether it's SAP, Oracle, doesn't matter, or convert that into an EDI file, that information. So you can, of course, just replace a fax technology, but look at how you're using the documents, those faxes, once they come in, and what's happening with those, and pick a solution that can help you automate that even further.